Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about how to use pull rebase and what is this pull rebase in UiPath GIT. Let me open UiPath Studio. So in UiPath Studio, let's say we already have this project added to the local repository. Now if I right click on this project, you can see here we have option pull rebase, and by looking at this icon you can see pull, it means you are going to download that, right? Download icon. So the pull rebase is used to pull the contents from the remote repository to your local repository. The content, that is your data, that your files which is available on the remote repository. So you can see this is the remote repository that we have, and these are the files we have currently. So if I want to get the updated data, updated files from the remote repository, I can use pull rebase. So let's say there is a project where the multiple team members are working on that. So one team member is working on the login to that specific application. Second is working on the navigating to the one of the web browser, one of the portal like that. Other is working on to integrate with the database like that. And every time whenever they are just making changes to that projects, they are pushing that changes to the remote repository. And then now you are also working on that project, and now you want to work on updated project. Here let's say currently the file that you have, which has only this invoke workflow and the log message and this invoke workflow for each file and folder. Now if you'll see in this remote repository, you can see let's say there are multiple things already added by other developers, right? And you want to just fetch it, you want to pull it from this remote repository to your local repository. So pull rebase is basically to pull the updated files from the remote repository and update your local repository. It creates a synchronization between your local repository and your remote repository. So we have option here just for the testing. What we can do, we have this option. If you'll go to this in GitHub, if you'll go to this remote repository, we have this add file, and then we can click on upload files, click on choose your files. Now I'm going to search for any project files. So let's say I'm going to take this one, this two files. I will take this. Okay. Now what will happen? I'm going to just write like add files via upload, and then add an message like added integrating with ChatGPT files. Right. I'm going to sign off. So these two files will now uploaded to this remote repository, and for the demo purpose, you can understand this as some other team member who is working on this project. They have uploaded this YAML file, right? Now, for me, I want to pull this updated like all this data, and then I need to modify there. So I will right click on this project, click on pull rebase, and once I will click on pull rebase, you can see retrieving. It's going to retrieve the files from remote to the local repository. And now if we'll click on this project folder, and this is our local repository, and you can see it has automatically added those files to the local repository, right? Now this is your current version, and now you can modify this one, and then you can again after modifying you can commit and you can push that to the remote repository. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.